In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Asana on a laptop or PC. Whether you're on Windows or a Mac, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through each part so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your preferred web browser. Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox all work fine, and go to asana.com/download. It's best to type the address directly into the address bar to make sure you're on the official site. A stable internet connection will make the download smooth, and you should see a lock icon in the address bar confirming you're on a secure page. On the download page, look for the option labeled Asana for Desktop and click the button that says Download Now. This is the dedicated desktop app, which gives you a focused, distraction-free experience compared to running Asana in a browser. Next, choose your operating system. Select Windows if you're using a PC or Mac if you're on Mac OS. Some browsers and sites will automatically detect your system, but if you see both options, pick the one that matches your computer. Now, wait for the installer file to download. Your browser may ask where to save it. The default downloads folder is perfect. If you see a prompt to keep or save the file, confirm it. Larger files can take a moment, so let it finish completely before moving on. When the download is done, open the installer file to start the installation. On Windows, this will typically be in .exe or .msi file. Double-click it, and if a security or user account control prompt appears, choose Yes to allow the installer to make changes. On a Mac, you'll usually get a .dmg file. Double-click to open it, then follow the Windows instructions, which often include moving the Asana app into your Applications folder. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Let the progress bar finish and close the installer when it's done. Once installed, open the Asana desktop app. On Windows, you can find it in the Start menu. On a Mac, open it from the Applications folder or Launchpad. The app will launch to the sign-in screen. Finally, log in with your Asana account credentials. Use your work or personal account, and if your organization uses single sign-on, choose that option on the sign-in page. If you've enabled multi-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. That's it. Asana is now installed and ready to help you manage tasks and projects from your desktop. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.